Hi folks, Chris Harrington here from the floor of Printing United 2025 in Orlando, Florida. We're going to do a walk around a few of our feature products here at the show today. This here is our 33 MFB booklet maker. So it's a MFB multi-function booklet maker. So dual feeder. So we're feeding from right now we're going to feed from the top section, which also has our inline creasing. So we're going to do, progressive creasing. So the product we're going to get is going to be a square back looking type product. So I'm going to continue talking about what we're doing, but I'm going to press test and have the machine start to produce some books here. So in this area is our creasing and perforating section. We could actually perforate in line here as well. So what we're doing is right now we're creasing each sheet twice and growing the crease each time we do it to give our progressive creasing. I just let the secret out of the bag, but it's what we do. We're a creasing company. This also, if I needed a third bin, this hand Mary would act as a location to put my third sheet. If I had a UV coated or a laminated sheet that I wanted to put in the middle of the set, for example, if I was doing if I needed a third bin. So it's a hand Mary unit. As well as, so you'll see in here we are also using heavy-duty industrial stitching heads with stitcher wire, so with active clinchers. So we're not only getting the best quality stitch or staple, but it's a stitch that you can get. We're also using active clinchers. So it's nice and flat and a low cost for staple or stitch using those spools of wire. So as the machine goes jogging, tail jogging, side jogging, stitching, going through our fold section, and then going into our face trimmer. Heavy duty face trimmer, which is going to apply pressure, clamp the book down onto the table, and face trim. So very heavy duty face trimmer in line with this machine. Saves you from having to go to the guillotine to trim those books. So when we're talking about progressive creasing and square back looking spine here, right, you can see that with the progressive creasing, the inside sheet we crease once, and then we start to crease the following sheets until we get to the cover, progressively growing for each sheet. So you can see the finish that we're getting is a nice square spine on the stitches and gives you a better laying flat book than with just standard saddle stitch without any sort of square back or progressive creasing. So the minimum book size on this we can do is a finished piece 3x6 saddle stitch. So 3 inches by 6 inches, about cell phone size finished piece. A very small book. Maximum is 25 sheets of 20-pound bond, so a 100-page book or anything equivalent to that with a 20-pound bond. So as you can see here, the waste is going into exiting on this conveyor into a waste box, so you don't have to stop and empty a waste bin during production. So machine's capable of 3,000 books per hour. Again, 13, 19 down to 3.5 or 3x6 finished size with saddle stitch. So I think that covers up most of the highlights of our 33 MFB. If you want to do a live demo at any time via web, we can organize that from one of our demo rooms in either Canada or United States, and contact Graphic Whizard for more information. You can find information on our website on the 33 MFB as well. Thanks for watching.